Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today I have an unusual unboxing for you. Well, I say it's unusual, but it's just what I found on Facebook, and this cost me 99 pence, but it is a Viva Cat. Now Viva Cat is a monthly subscription box. I shall just get you the information all about it. It is £19.90 a month for a monthly plan, or it's £14.90 for a 6-monthly plan, or £13.90 for an annual plan. So the value in shop is higher than £30, so it's going to be higher in money. Right, so my cat has got a mind of her own. I've got her to do this video, but she doesn't want to, so we will open it up and probably she will come and play with some of the treats that's in here for her. Did I say it's Viva Cat? It sounds exactly like a Viva Cat, which is the Aldi's brand, and so yeah. Let's just unbox it like so. Right. So I've just opened that box, and I do like the cute cat design logo they got going on there with the little moustache underneath the heart. It looks very sweet. Okay, so I probably should have opened this the wrong way, but never mind. It feels like there's something jingly jangly in there, like a bell or something. Oh wow, we've got some really nice wrapping paper coming out here, and it is. I'm going to take out some of this hairy stuff. My cat will probably, she will love this hairy stuff. It's like straw. Oh, she's interested in it. She's right here. Wow. Okay, so the first item what we got is a One Yappy Natural Pets One Yappy. Okay. So let's just have a look at this. So this is a Halloween Paragutters, Halloween for cats. And it tells you the ingredients, which is pretty good because people do like to know what is in their pet food. So okay, she's playing with this actually. Cats will play with anything. Right, okay, let's see if you like these. Oh, so they look like that. They look like a little onion sort of thing. Oh. I'm not going to taste them. Should I taste them? They taste like an oat biscuit. So yeah, so what is in here is wheat flour, oatmeal, and oatmeal ferment, and carrot and squash. So yeah, it's pretty good actually. Do you like them? Are they bunny approved? She is sniffing them. Oh, licking it now. She's going to take it. Right, so we'll just put that to one side, and you will have them ready. You gotta wait for them because you don't want to be on camera. So then we have got some cat snacks, duck fillets. They're looking super nice, and just come in here. Are you coming for them? Well, let's have a shot of you on here because people is going to want to know. This is my cat and she doesn't want to be videoed, but let's just see what you think of these. Do you like them? Let's see what you think of this one. Do you like this one? Nope, we're not going to get you a video because you're being awkward. Do you like it? No, she doesn't want to play. So we will pop you down. We're not going to force you to do anything you don't want to do, cat. No. So we've got some tuna flakes by High Life. So what I'm thinking of is with this box is I've definitely got my 99 pence, but 99 pence with it back, because these are expensive. These are about £1.99 or something like that, and this would be about £1 I'm thinking of. Yeah, and these things maybe is £1. So yeah, I'm thinking I already have my money's back, but this is like a baffling thing what I am pulling out here. It is filled full of the straws, and this is gonna have to be like a tidy up session after this box, but she's probably just gonna like this. Oh yeah, because the straw falls everywhere, and she's more interested in the straw falling off it. So there it is. It's like a little kitty spidery thing. It smells a bit. It does have catnip inside of it, but this is the spider ball. Yeah, spider ball. It does say. And it's by Viva Cat's spider ball. I wonder if they do have their own webpage, and probably they make their own stuff. So we've got some more of this one, which is the tuna cat one. And there we go. And we have got some, which is another cat food, and this one is in junior cat, so I might give this one to my mum's cat because it's older than Bonnie. And let's just see if we go along with it. And then this one is the chicken breast one by Higher Life, and yeah, so see if she enjoys this one as well. Okay, and so we've got some little leaflets in here, and it says last month's winner. This is what you're supposed to do, Bonnie, with this box, but she will not. She's like a really fussy cat. She'll only do what she wants to do. So, but this is the Halloween box one, which is really quite pretty. I do like that. It's nice. So it's Viva Cats, and so what we got in this one, we got some more items. I'm sure there's one more item in here. We've got a cat snack Dentabite, which is that one there. Oh, it's got a cute cat on that front. I do like that cat. And so, does it have a little, oh, we've got something else here. So this is, I already have ordered Bonnie one of these, but I've got another one now. And this is a stick cat, and what it is it's supposed to help them with their teeth. I already ordered one from AliExpress. There you see. So yeah, there it is. And it does. There's a lot of writing on there. I'm not going to go in and tell you all about it, but all it basically does is it helps them with the teeth. Mine that I got for Bonnie has catnip on it, and it's just a calm and stimulating one sort of thing. Right, okay, so it is going to tell you about the spider ball. This is the spider ball here, and it's Halloween every home. So this is just going to tell you all about, it's about the Halloween box, but this is not October. So yeah, I don't know why they're just trying to get rid of some of this stuff, aren't they? Right, there is no price on here. And these is the pumpkin snacks. So they're not like little onions, they're like little pumpkins is what they're supposed to be. But I thought they were like onions, so the pumpkins. Okie doke. So this is the moist cat food made of tuna and anchovies. And this one is the Dentabites. So yeah, and then we got the little sticky thing, which is this one. So there, and that's fallen off, and now she's got it. So, well, it was meant for her anyway. And then we got this one, which is the duck fillets one. I've got to show you it. Then we got this one, which is the moist, is that the moist cat food, chicken and rabbit? Nope, that's the tuna one. I think it could be this one. There it is. So then we got like a high life one, which is this one, which is the tuna one I got for Bonnie. And so then we got thunfish and tuna fish. It's tuna fish, but it's saying thunfish. I really saw thunfish because it's in foreign writing as well. So yeah, my overall thoughts is I wouldn't spend £19.90 on it. That's my true thoughts on it. But I only paid 99p, and it's not bad, but it is what it is. Right, okay, so if you liked this unboxing, please give me a thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye bye.